There are two list selection styles available in Sage 50 Cloud accounts, which determine how you select multiple records at once. Let's have a look at them in the software. The first selection style we'll look at is the Windows selection style. This is set as the default on new installations. What this means is when we go to select a record, it highlights. Now if we don't do anything with the keyboard and go to click on another account, you'll see that the highlight follows us around. And we can do that throughout the list. If we want to select multiple records, maybe we want to select a range of records, we select the first one, hold down our Shift key and click at the end of the list that we want to select. The other way we can do that, if we want to select random records, we highlight one, hold down our Control key this time, and then we can just go down and click onto the ones that we want. So that's the Windows selection style. The second selection style, and you can choose between the two by going into Tools, Options, and then Environment. You've got the list selection styles here. Let's choose the traditional Sage selection style. So we'll select that one, click OK, go back to Customers, and this time with the Sage selection style it's more of an on-off highlight. So if we click on our first account, it highlights it. If we go to our second account, now we don't need to hold down any keys on the keyboard, we just click it and we can just randomly click whatever we want. If we want to get rid of a highlight, again we can just switch it off. So that's the two selection styles. It's Tools, Options, Environment tab. Choose a selection style. You can change between the two whenever you want. So have a go of them and see which one you prefer.